on social media. I not blame another tribe because my people was busy using me to make money. But they forget say na their brother.
Now money they all use at make. They know what they do. You know, one thing where I like your maturity, it really appeared during that period. Same as you know, come and say I can't the.
You say I can't come and come the answer anybody. Because I look at the money that they find.
Yeah, do you put away? The one way mona be able why and when you are more diabo or Luga ni mona be a hospital. You are getting my point.
Yes, now.
You know, they easy to say. Am I easy? Mona be able why or when it's all about
Yes, now.
But people can never understand. That is forefathers, nature. You get my point now?
Yeah, nature.
Yeah, I understand. I never understand.
They never understand.
They sit down and look like that.
They never understand.
After they don't use after they don't use that period
because God knows say this guy get where God take it.
That period social media now away this one go collect, this one go collect, this one go, you know, people as in billions of people will use you to collect money at us. You the year of them.
Me will not do common video. Me will not do common video. The only $1,700 now make people will take me make money will get better platform. Not how much them make.
Okay. Afa share the don't see at us. Yala waja na be.
Don't enter house.
Okay.
Now then they wait make I enter. Make the topic start again. Now that one they target me.
Oh, Salobwa. Iya marry na.
But that one they target.
Iya marry na me yala even boy. Nobody knows.
So as a beat me to dead no can see video carry. Because the beating was too much.
On atare no pa itayo. No pa ataye, no pa itayo. Me na agyan.
They say no get shit. They say even one that don't follow the rich ass. When they come to see that don't go buy S5. Then they see start again. They say, you go na ga koko na we jam me no. You go na go na ga boy adi moto.
We are una gbe okoto, una gwe. Una gbe ma ya ni talawe tala tutu na eni buvo iyobo. Etiyan ya la we bo yan we wiyobo niyan. You understand it? So on no succès la yekeze. Then on no succès la yekeze when we alugan gelero. Alugan. Ro. On no ma mi yobo. Keko ma no mi yobo. You understand it? So iya na no wa begi na iya kun go na ya be. Then you go ni ya be ya kon na ya be there for ne.
My brother, when also yeah, one like YouTube. If I enter YouTube now, make I just write Olivie comment. So make I go my YouTube. Wetin I go dey see? Make go dey find my own video for inside my YouTube. They come dey tag me. If you see video wey full my YouTube, when people say they talk anyhow, my YouTube na full. YouTube, no see video all of the carry. Me wey get video, I no get any money, I no get anything, I never even chop the money, even the common get money sef. When I see me for the Facebook, before Facebook even give me the money enter my account, before they come give me 6 months, I dey for country wey eligible to monetize. I no chop the money sef, the desert money. People wey busy dey give me na dem chop the money. Me wey get video, I no chop ₦1. ₦1 I no chop. ₦1.
Egbe be weyan na le doctor ya. Iya ma mi emeta na.
Because you are the messaging here. Àwọn wa gugun egu wa gun àwọn egbe. Yen gi egbe.
My brother, I get you. Me I want to. I get you.
Nana, I hold my phone. Are you the talk since your name na good news? Good news. How far now? What is the update? Where you for the communicate they come? Stuttgart. The year of that Stuttgart. So, how that side now?
The patch am, bless God.
So, life na small.
Even they call it
Every
platform.
V1. You say?
Because I changed my name, now open door, I think they call it platform for that side.
Ah, okay. Na so.
Abeg na una send me some gift now. So
Not be smart too.
some more people now they go call, they no go talk to person, they go just come dey distract me. Now, as I dey talk since now, all of dem dey here na to dey ride. Make una ride. You say una dey ride so God dey carry una life dey join my life. Na truth I dey tell una. Una life na make me dey exist o. Una life, una wey dey mock me. Una get 60, una get 80 years, God don take 30. I join my own.
Bros,
Na truth I tell
may
you.
not dey to all those
30.
people, not dey to all those negative people.
30. Person wey dey condition, you go see dey mock am. Because una see say I dey wear
That's what they are
shirt.
with.
Because I need to help myself. I need to help myself. That one no mean say I be one kind of human being say any condition when I find myself, I dey bear am because I don strong. I don go prison tire for Algeria. Na Morocco because I dey travel illegal without paper. As I dey live, I no dey carry
All those
passport.
big,
Just be said I
all
still
those
go
big man life.
go anywhere. I don strong for many things and nothing can weigh me. Nothing can weigh me. I be traveler.
But
I be traveler. I dey use leg dey follow people country without no burger. I go use leg from Libya here enter Algeria. I go use leg from Algeria enter Morocco with leg dey cross their border. I realize say na my country. I dey waka illegal for different country, for Arab country, nowhere wey I never waka pass. Then you wan come there with me wey don see things of life. Only me wan go dey waka for desert for 7 days and 7 nights for inside another man country. You wan come dey use that kind of pikin dey play. You know the way God take create me. You know the way God take create me. Pikin wey dem no born for hospital. My mother wan carry me go hospital now I drop down. All the 6 children wey my mother born for my father, they born for hospital. Na only me wan dey born for house. Till today I never sick. My mother never admit me for hospital one day. I dey forbid am. You no know how I take come life. So you just be making your noise there. I no be you wey dey write comment. I no be your mate. You no fit even mold one blood on top of one back. You wan come take me dey learn? I be your mate. That one mean say even though say I never show wetin I get, say you mean say your life better pass my life. You mean say I dey live say tomorrow I fit decide say I no dey go again. I go out.
Bros,
No be force.
you know it.
I fit decide say I no dey go Europe. I go go house.
But bros, I want to advise you something. You know all those people say they show so once you want cross, just carry everything enter Europe, it go help you well.
Wetin be that?
All those way they show so your bender advice, doctor
Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing.
Well,
This phone, if I throw am, if I throw everything wey dey with me, I will throw everything.
it go help you.
Once I reach abroad, I will go buy phone. I go just put my email. Everything go come back.
Especially that bender advice.
I save everything dey my email. Na only thing wey my email and password lost.
Because that bender advice na for all the European.
Now I dey tell you so say na till wey my email lost. Everything, all my life have been stored inside my email. It have been stored. As I enter, na me go carry everything give it alone make dem dey watch. All the hospital paper, they go bring everything come for me for Nigeria. Jamie never see anything. They just
too corrupt. They too decomplete.
They just dey start. If I don say I wan reach now, I go follow them dey hammer them. They just dey start. Maybe that time they go dey request for me na lie. I no dey comot for there because na who they wan deport again dem dey find. I dey come for them. After I say the guy is still there, I'm coming for them.
Wetin dey pay me for German say Arabo dey kpai dem every day, but na blood dem dey freeze.
So they let people wey dey do crime.
Na that one dey pay me. Arabo dey kpai dem every day, Syria dey kpai dem, Afghanistan dey kpai dem.
They just dey kpai dey come. It will say the people go down my land crest now kpai all of them.
They go drive motor enter where they dey, they go kpai dem. Where they forget, they go drag motor enter, they go kpai dem. Many things. But na Africa dey just face Africa.
Since when they don take deport me, there have been problem to problem, and so they go dey that problem dey go.
You know how many you know about to say they happen for here. When say Arabu they buy the every
I don't get anything when I do that. I know say no be there do wetin happen to me say na black man do am, but dem suppose still pity for me.
huh?
Dem suppose still pity for me.
No, they're not
Una dey
supposed to
here,
deport you. They're not
the time
supposed to
una
deport
suppose
you
to
at
dey
all.
shower me gift, the time una suppose to dey give me love and life, una dey
They're not
there,
supposed
dey
to
get
deport
time.
you.
I no understand say somebody go dey bad condition, Nigerians go still dey mock dat person. Why una like to dey sad or about somebody's problem? Why? Nigeria like make somebody dey in problem. Okay, my enemy come down, I come dey say wait wife, make im wife come out, make we donate money for am. Na all those things una dey like. Na una dey like.
The only bro, the only mistake when you say you says may you for not give them Nigerian passport.
My brother, listen to me. Na UN passport I dey use before. I get humanitarian 1 year paper for Italy. So na dem don carry us go Nigeria embassy one time. So I no give the passport. Na OB camp na we be for there. Like person wey no know, dem no know where I for come, no identity.
Yes.
So now that time I get 2 children. So I come born another one again. So the last one when I come born, now they don't know what to do again. I confuse that these 4 children. So they not because of that last my last born now send refer us to embassy again to identify that one join say with the Nigeria citizen. So as we reach the Nigeria embassy, come tell me say they don already say we don dey here before. So na landasa talk to them say now everything they wan give us paper. They don't know how they go take give us paper. Now we no dey under asylum again. Now our asylum don fail. Now we dey under them, but we no get passport. How they go take even though say they wan grant us, they no get where they wan put the paper. The Nigerian embassy now dey explain to us so me and my wife. So they come give us. They say now I talk to them say mo go do passport. So mo come submit am. So then the Nigerian embassy come give us appointment of the passport, everything.
Yes.
So that na come dey for pay put. So now they take send us go Berlin say we don too take for here. Even though they wan give us before Jimmy go give you paper na the one wey you first bring passport, you no dey asylum again. So now we come take go do the passport. Even they come give us appointment. The appointment come for Sunday. So when I come do the paper for Sunday, I come call my lawyer say this appointment they give us na on Sunday o. Na my lawyer by himself call Nigeria embassy make new appointment. And true to dem wan give us paper. Na my lawyer by himself call Nigeria embassy change the date wey dem give us another appointment. So that is why I no know as this deportation take come without no letter, nothing na just that money. The week wey they give the week wey that people of that money come, no say they send me that paper, they still send give landrasa. That week wey that this thing come, so na they just do everything sharp
Mafia.
sharp. Can you imagine wetin happen as I dey reach Lagos? Somebody come meet me for airport. He say Nigeria embassy say make dem welcome me, say wan lodge me for hotel. Now say na God go punish you and that Nigeria embassy. I say wetin happen? He say dem know say I no dey okay, somebody stab me. This thing wey I dey talk, so God can bear my weakness. For airport, somebody come wait me for airport. For airport for Lagos. He say they say somebody wey no dey okay. That's why I say the person wey still dey aware wey dem deport me for that Nigeria embassy, I know say dem go still give dem bribe.
Exactly. Nigeria wey corrupt.
Somebody come with me for airport say wan lodge me for hotel, say we get wetin we wan discuss. Which kind of discussion? Say make we reach hotel first. That presentation when I dey, I no even lis ten to am, na so I take comot. As I comot, I no even know say one man dey watch me for that airport. Na he say he come see when I take talk to the man. He come say no, say this one na Benin boy, and that one come be Obaseki family. This our last governor wey comot, and here Obaseki don resemble. So the man come drive motor come meet us for outside gate. He say you know say I be gree, say make I enter motor, make I park my children enter motor, I don come enter motor, he come carry me go e house. Na for house he come go lodge us for hotel. Even e get one sicker wey dey me for na the man buy am for me. So na the man come even dey put for Lagos before I come look for house. But I come say okay, make I just manage myself there small before I know what to do. Now I take this so. Na so I take leave that one. Okay, after you don carry me reach Nigeria, say somebody call you from Germany, say somebody is inside that flight, make e lodge head for hotel. Make una not chop money for my head.
Na hotel go kill all those people. Now they even worse pass. If na better country now say they know that plate they land, they will say no, return and go back.
They just know everything about me before they carry me reach Nigeria.
Eh? You know, see that bright when say they go carry for hospital. Now even that one they cry for TikTok. Yeah.
Wetin dey cry for?
They carry with sickness, carry and go bongo.
He don reach house now, he go help himself now. Wetin he go do?
I don't know, that Bayan just worst, eh? Bayan, that place, na no go area.
Yeah, person.
I didn't want something.
Yeah.
All those people say,
Oh God, na here dey for the mark name for war.
that's what the people they do this thing.
Hello?
Hello, you dey knack war?
I agree dey ask senior man. I dey work. I just dey lis ten to you since.
Okay, na you dey knack hammer.
Na me dey knack am here, bro. I greet you, bro.
Which work? Which work be that one?
No work na work na.
Which work?
Na Kasoria work.
Kasoria? Na work for abroad?
Yes na.
Open that both.
You say?
Na house you dey build?
I dey do many work. I dey do many work. I dey do many work. I like up abeg so what?
Okay, that one wey you na? The country no in. Okay, France. Okay. As I see, as I dey talk here since they would see gift. Now, no, if na where they fight, now go dey pack gift they give them. As I would just see, they talk about what happened to me. My brother, you want pass through. Let me tell you, I want to. Now, you dey look una believe like this. Wetin I dey pass through, I know you. I have big punishment with my body. Punishment.
As I say, you don't come up for that country, Nigeria. Nothing can stand. No, the middle of anything they do where you are getting my point.
Yeah.
Because that Nigeria, they too
Nah. After they do, I say all these things are supposed to do for me since. As I dey talk, since I supposed to bless me with gift. I didn't need them. Even say, as I don't cry, I say, maybe people support me with connection money. Nobody. That's why I can't decide not to give account. So anybody who want give me money, you can give me gift. I will do my paper account. Say bring in account. Nobody is giving me money. But if you can give me gift, I will just withdraw the money with my paper account. It's better for me. It's better for me. My brother is also there. Immediately never born. Another way talk about me. They don't dey question God. They're supposed to question God why He create me like this. If like say I be experiment to the world. I don't see things for life. This one not be say somebody dey disturb me. No. Na just go waiting. God no say I go fit chest time. Na Him make am. God no say I get mind. That's why a lot of things dey happen to me. And if that one thing wey say I dey do say the way God dey make me dey face all this punishment, na so He still dey bless me. You know they let me lack. Na only the joy wey I get be that. I dey face temptation, but I'm okay. I dey face temptation. So I believe say this is the last temptation when I wan get. I believe say this temptation when I see pass through, my woman see contribute. As I say woman no dey lis ten to your husband.
Exactly. Na be dey do some women dey no do.
We contribute. Sometimes not be everything that they say wish do. Sometimes we use our hand to cause
exactly. How your woman is.
Not everything we say wish cause. No.
Everything not be wish. Everything not be wish.
Sometimes we use our hand they cause our own problem.
Oyibo na. Oyibo na.
People that give me gift now, God will bless
also,
you guys.
You get what I want to Oyibo na. They see they see bad things on top, but Oyibo no know it be wish.
Yeah.
They say na wish do one.
I don't thought I'm not to say I dey do now pain I dey receive here so. As I dey continue to dey talk na be good. As I dey try to stop now, the thing go dey worry me.
jama. If you get one girl we say get cancer for Baya, the jama see deport am. Person wey get cancer. Yeah?
I never understand. Person go dey alive, go talk about his situation. Somebody go still get because of say you sabi read and write. Do you read and write and my body tell me like say you can't read am? My body o. Na as the thing you take am, the school wey you go. There's na you go spend money for it. You wey go university, you go spend your money for government, you no see work. Na my tutor dey say make you come dey use am tell me you take am dey comment. You no see off with me go dey use am dey type.
People
Baba
wey say
Where are we commenting on wa bere ni where are we commenting on wa bere ni enibunwo obogbe ni bunwo ni. You understand it?
Yeah.
Obogbe ni bunwo ni my brother no not dey look at. They are jobless. You are getting my point.
Now. Is better than you guys. I'm better than you guys. Forget saying I'm Libya here. I'm big boy. I'm better than you guys. You can't let people know say it's a big comment. You go spend money for university, you don't see work, even $30,000 you don't see am, take go work. Now we will not go school. Now we will get money pass. Now we go school. But I think so if we decide to go to Nigeria tomorrow, that I know they go Europe for example, I will go open workshop, put boys, I will supervise them. My life don't start. I dey do bid, open workshop, open store bid, put girls make dem dey do the bid there, teach them. My life don start. I dey drive trailer. If na so say I no wan do hard work, I go look for who go give me semi trailer make I dey drive dey go Abuja, go Sokoto, go Ibadan. My life don start. What are you waiting for? Why are you disturbing yourself? Na the drive trailer dey go, I go on my TikTok, on my Facebook, do live video dey go. Wetin concern me? You wan come dey use me dey play? I get a lot of things. If I ready to go settle down for Benin, I go go Benin. I no dey pay house rent. I go dey my house there. Dey live my life dey go. You wey never even start Renal Foundation, you wan come dey use me dey learn? I be your mate. Dey there make you dey comment there.
Russell, like I know what Olivie wa ni na auto base yan mo boss spray abi yan we use
I dey painting every man. When in Nigeria, you don't get now.
Okay. Because I see your hand up, I see your work, I see your video.
When I come here 2005, I learned this work again here now. You know, say you get the way that they do their work different from our own.
Yes.
Let me say I learn that from person, you know. But as they do and the kind of things that they bring, so they different from the way we take the work.
I know their material, so their material different. Their material, the name.
So when I still go Germany, I still learn that again from Germany.
I know. Now European, you must learn that. Now European, the way that they do it for, you know, say for Nigeria, and the bit I go do their work. Now let's prepare
Even when I get Lagos, that kind of when I don't want to travel again, I don't want to open the store. I say, okay, may I just open make I just put boys make they work. If I just see open and people they come they spray. But look at the country, no security. So Nigerians know the kind of life we go get for Nigeria. No, that country is very good though if you get money. But on that security, that be the problem when Nigeria they face and light.
Nine.
Security and light. Now we dey face. Nigeria is a very sweet country. When I dey Nigeria don enter my blood. Abroad be no even wan gree me. I got the situation of the land. That make me I just look and say na front and injury when I dey carry dey go. I say if I live here for old age, I go hear win. Now I run. Because doctor tell me say na old age Now anything will dey stress for me a little bit.
But the spray better work the spray better work the spray better work wey you dey do for that Libya I like am
No,
pass.
I'm not supposed to dey do am. I'm not supposed to dey do am.
I know you know say na I know you know say na
But wetin I go do tomorrow?
you know say na bend down work. You bend down, you stand. If you wan wash kufe, if you wan if you wan wash kufe, I dey see you now. I dey see if you wan wash kufe, you put block for hand, come put sandpaper.
Na wahala.
You understand? I dey see you now. If you wan see wash if you wan see wash if you don see do a primer, you don primer the motor, you wan see wash am. You dey get my
If I tell
question.
you say if I don't do all those work finish, I go come dey regret my life inside house. But wetin I dey do? Your messes, who wan take care of them? No be me. I mean na. Èmi kan ẹ̀dùn pẹ̀lú Nàìjíríà o, ìwé ìdò fún ike òwà ní iye gbórí ọkàn bọ̀ ìdó ya akínyẹn nù, àwòtọ̀ ìdẹ̀ ìdó ya akínyẹn nù. Many things dey wetin I think. Ọ̀sẹ̀ mọ́rọ̀ ọ̀nẹ́, ẹnìwé lẹ́nu ìyá ìwọ̀n náà náà.
Olivia, I greet you.
It's better for me.
Olivia, one of Germany.
Talk to me and
How you dey, sir?
my brother, person go talk say not fine.
I tell you, you na strong man na.
Me myself, I know my brother.
I dey watch you na.
God wey see make I dey face this thing, you know say I go fit chest am. Na him make am.
You try, bro. You try. Not easy.
I never understand somebody go dey talk about wetin happen to them. People go see dey busy talking.
Not easy.
My bros, look comment section, prayer, person the person. Prayer, dear man.
Wetin you talk?
Person say, baby, send out your account.
They no dey give me. Bro, no people wey don come here. Wey we dey talk about bring account. Bros, if you know say you wan send me money, take am buy gift for me. Na beg I dey beg. Take am give me gift.
Prayer, use and buy gift. Say, use and buy gift. Please.
Accept that gift. All this account of a thing.
You know, say, bro. You know, say this thing when you dey pass through, come dey show for us. So people they use and they learn. No.
I tell you.
People they use you self, they their mind for waiting that they pass through.
E get one bros, I think na 4 days ago na do live video for near Riverside. You know wetin dey go tell me, the thing come shock me as we talk that thing. You say e get advice wey I give for social media. He say that time I dey Germany o. He say I dey Germany. He say that time he dey Libya, he don try like 10 times, I don't know. E no work. He come go back to Nigeria. He say as he come dey watch me when I dey Germany, say e get wetin I talk. The thing come motivate am again, come carry bag, he come go back to Libya. He say this man, they never deport me o. That time I dey do big. Then I call that thing when I talk, na motivate am from Nigeria again, come back to Libya. He say na India, but say come look at one day say, okay, this bros motivate me that time. But this bros now dey Libya now.
That's all life be. Life dey rotate.
That is life.
Life dey rotate.
But people forget say I don't even dey talk all those kind things. Because sometimes if I dey live video, I just dey bring advice gist to.
Yes, now I even when I watch you, I use and motivate myself somehow.
If you know you want to support me, forget about account. Don't use it to buy gifts and give me. If you no still get rest. First, you people cannot be coming and be mocking me big account do this one. I not do that one again. If I want to die in suffer, let me die. If I not think even arrest because you not too use me. Give account. Let me want help me. I don't know that they come. I'm not going to use a big account. I'm not going to give me money. That's so one useless boy come one day say this pain. I don't know if the wife fast. He say if they use the wife phone till they wash me. I be say. Those are people here wey watch that guy. This guy begin dey beg me make I give him account. Come on, not say that guy no send me money. No send me money. He use first to collect that account from me. I mean, you want to make love with your wife? I mean, you want to make love with your wife? If not be say because say the condition wey be say I dey. No be say I no dey hustle small small thing yet before I go see hustle na still send am give children. Before I hustle na still send am give children. You get money reach me. Or I no fit stay to hustle my crossing money. Na because say I dey hustle and I dey condition all this hard work I no suppose to dey do am. Make my enemy for last. Una go ask account. I go give una. I know say it's not a force to send somebody's money. But the way you people are, when I say they do me, my life no go remain like this. I think that this thing is just a message to the world. Wetin dey happen to me so it's just as a message. But I no pray make my enemy dey condition when I dey so. May I forget about they say
Jaguda. You know say Jaguda one you go suffer for 800 years. You will write this nonsense comment.
Let me forget about deportation. Let me talk about my health. I no me myself I no pray make my enemy see the condition when I dey. I no pray.
We dey pray for good health too. Now who get good health dey enjoy life.
Na because say people don advise me na me no dey swear for anybody again. Anything wey you write God bless you. You insult me God go bless you no problem. Anything wey you write na the small school wey I go round with read your comment. Write anything wey you wan write. I no get time to insult anybody. I no do that one again.
Na make some of the Oyibo they use them for Europe like slave.
Because the last video wey I do one of my beautiful sister for London and with one bro they have already told me not to be insulting people. So I am bigger than this one. I no dey insult anybody again. You can write anything you like and I no go even block you.
But these bros, destiny best.
I don change to insult people. I have changed to talk to people, but you can insult me as you like. God bless you. God bless you.
Destiny best for mood in speed trial as the natural man.
See all this one now, they will come up. They no go greet person. They just dey talk there. Somebody dey talk about wetin happen to am. Let's forget deportation. You never even fit it for the condition wey I dey. Forget about deportation now. They tell you say I no well. You are still getting time to be commenting. It does not make any sense. Na me you go school for. The school wey you go, the money wey you pay give government, na me chop the money. The school wey you go learn, me I no go university. Na secondary school I go school reach. As my brain no too carry am, now I go learn work. Now I go learn work. If I no go, my children now they dey go. My senior now dey university wey me no go. So I need to take care of them. As I no go, my children still need to go. My daughter now, na this say I born am. This say that when I dey so. My daughter now dey university. But me I no go. Well, I don born pikin wey don enter. That is congratulations to me. No be my mama dey sponsor am. No be my papa dey sponsor am. Na me dey sponsor am. I no go. Na my blood na dey university now. Na still me dey go am.
Pastor, how much do you take dey spray tomato for Olivia?
Na different price na. No be that one go now. Every who wey dey live here? You wan come?
E get person wey dey do the work and wan make maybe wan confirm from you. If motor as in maybe motor rough now, maybe the 4 door.
Different like me I no dey charge. Now my oga dey charge. You go just call me based on say me I no get and I just dey do am based on say before I comot for here. No be say I just put mind for the work. My own na to just see get feeding money, get small things I comot for there. Now my oga dey charge all the motor.
Okay.
You understand? Somebody go talk it. Let me tell una one thing. When somebody no dey okay, you dey mock that person. It's for you and God. It's you and God. Because God know wetin I dey pass through. God knows wetin I dey pass through.
You know,
I don tell una one story here say when I dey come from this desert, I see somebody for Sabah. He come dey complain. wetin this person dey complain for? He says life don miserable for am. I say wetin happen? He say when in dey grow dey come, if person wan help somebody, he no dey like am. He dey always dey against the person dey help person. So he say that thing come dey affect am. Because if they stop people, let's say for someone help person, they go say no help that person, forget about that person. But all these things wey they do since all these years, the thing come dey affect am. Because of it stop people not to help person. Just like the way you people have been mocking me, like you think they mock me. Your punishment is coming from God, not me. Not me. Because God knows say I'm in pain. Now you are still adding more pain to my pain. That is now wetin you feel be that. You don't know you are just disturbing yourself. I mean, you don't know me before. You don't even know me from Nigeria. I don't know how come you're just hating on someone that you don't even know. I did not know why. Someone that you don't know, you just been hating on him. The time you are hating on that person, why can't you buy a gift and put it there? You see now, the person wey dey ask for account since now, the time I make you put gift here since now, you no put gift o. That's why I just dey tell you. You know why dem dey do? You people that dey say bring account, they just dey find attention of me. They are just looking for attention. Na so you go say bring account, people born dey always say that they give Olivie money. E get one boy wey dey always dey call. You go say Olivie, you don gather people money since you never comot for there. Because you dey see the way people are calling, bring account, bring account. They no say no money. It's just sweet, send account. But send the money now.
Mother, wait, let me come up. Don't bring you come. Hello, good evening.
Good evening. I dey hear you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I dey hear you.
Hear you.
Hello.
Good evening, everyone.
We are hearing you
Good
now.
evening.
Good evening.
Hey.
Na bad thing you wan talk. You hear when the person pick, because the other one say don pick. The other one say don pick.
Well, it can wahala be this.
I no understand whether na me be the people version, whether na me be people problem. I no know. I no be God wey create you. Abi I get the way God dey create you. The time when God dey create all these people, I dey there. I been na me cause am.
Ẹ̀sọ́ yakin. Ẹ̀sọ́.
Wahala be this one.
The day wey dem dey mold una, me I dey there.
Wahala be like bicycle.
The other one say e don pick. Me I just know say that's why he wan talk. Na because this sister come outside and say good evening, we are hearing you. He come dey short of words. I dey there. I been na maybe the man wey come friend una leave una.
If you go check their this thing now,
Oh my, last importation, more than what
if you go check them now,
wait to on the 19th.
you see.
There's a German depart on the 29th. You see single mother children where they park go outside.
You say good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are hearing. We are hearing.
Which country they for park people go as?
Now for still Jamie for Apple.
Aba.
Dem dey pack people every time o. Na every time.
Omewa dey even brush. Igbogbo mi lawo baba. In my way okay na.
Agwan. How you looking?
Sorry o, me tell ma wa gugu apa.
Okay, walk up.
Wana we
Again, a woman, you get one woman wey dey talk just now. Where the woman?
Imagine mo bari wa. Na le mo ade.
Where? Abeg, una know this platform wey cause o.
Wait, that person they say good evening just now.
Yeah.
Na that one a woman.
That one a woman, Uche. Uche, now
Okay, sit.
Uche.
Okay, I can sit down this.
Not be this guy. Now this guy dey say na him we dey talk to. Not be you. Now you get somebody wey call. Oh, I don't call Iban.
Bros, double.
How far
It's
now?
about double, sir.
I no go too pass.
Double, bro.
I be manager, my brother.
Sir. Double, bros. Bros, ibo bo many amo bo ta kiri na baba. Double, me ya aduna. God's grace.
No problem, my brother. Marine, I am a way. I'm a
Bros, I
Zango.
like it.
Me wey if you forgive somebody that put me from this condition, why God no go forgive me for anything when I do in life? First way if he stab me, you go see me dey run and if you dey carry am near body, you go sit down drink beer together wey me for this condition. Also say na Europe, I no fit do anything. Why God no go answer me? Most of una na think say na you do person something na him dey sometimes you promise somebody something no give am na sin.
You know what?
You come write back comment to person na sin.
You know why this matter can still be like this? Because who the stab is he there for Jamie? Eh? Who stab person there for Jamie, but who the stab there for Bongo?
Na be the illegal wey na dey talk since
I
now.
don't know. Eh? Last week in the German news, Afghanistan person by Arabu person, they don't free am.
But they no dey see the jam and make dem kpai dem.
After 2 years for school, they still free the boy.
Na those one dem dey like. Me I tell you why dem dey like dem. They go come hammer dem better strafe to dey pay to boost their economy. You see the business that these people dey do.
Na true, yeah, na true.
Na tell you I tell you now, jam like who dey do crime because they dey make money from them.
Then they protect people say they
They work, they know they see the money for her.
Thank you. Na business. They like who dey do crime. They no say because say Jama like who dey do crime, you go do crime.
No.
If blog run against you, now wey dey watch me, Nigeria like that thing. You know, one Nigeria fit just go meet one woman and go sponsor your face, go stab person. You on your own o. No say because say they like crime, make you go dey fight for Germany. Make I for stay there. You know say Nigeria, any advice wey you give them, na dey follow.
For Europe, the black man for me, I know they go free. Now you both they go free. Oh.
Oloibo. Please, whether my gift are, Mona send me small gift. Well, I hear don't they pay me. Mona say support me. I take go buy body pain. Mona send me some gift now. The time when I take talk here, since now I never go get 3 euro. I take go buy body
Yeah, they
pain.
did that time, bro. Now this is the Moses get to black. That Igbo man Moses.
Me know they still get to the house I dey rent. I mean they pay my house rent.
For black. Black a very nice place for black.
Since when I dey stay this country, I know they still get to the house I dey rent. Because I be citizen for a year. Please now, I'm gonna support me with some gifts. All these gifts I go to carry for Brother Mike platform and Comedy Agbovo and TikTok King. Una no dey will shower me. Eh? Why not they do like this? I mean, I know Europe people they watch me. Mona send me some gift now. Me I take buy tablet. Because I know say as I don't talk, tired, since I go need medicine.
Pardon me.
It's why my brother. When Wahala, Oga, bring account, come TikTok. They find attention. I not did that one. If you know you want to send me money, I will put my number here. I no go put account here. If you want to send money, call me direct. And give that person now we talking the account now. Give person you buy since now. You don't give put gift. So you want to use bring account, take look for attention. I don't do that. I don't stop at tete. So the account don't full my TikTok tire. Money I know they see.
Ibanya.
Na only the one we call.
Ibanya Evoni, I want to the what you go not pass. Even though say you pass at all, just how you go that Banya back.
Yes, now.